Come with me to learn how to make these beautiful centerpieces. Hello guys, so today let's work together. I'm gonna show you how to make something simple and easy for like a kids party, birthday party. You could do it any theme that you guys would like. I'm just gonna do one thing, but you could just switch the characters. So I'm gonna take two of these little wood palette, like these very small, and I got these at Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna take my hot glue. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue like that. I'm gonna put it in the edges like that. So just go ahead and put it in all the way on the side and in the front and back, and then like that. Then after you guys do that, you have to make sure to attach it right in there, like that. So that you can leave it as that, or you could spray paint it, whatever color you guys are doing. But I'm not gonna spray paint it. I'm gonna leave it at that. But I'm gonna use a tissue paper. I'm gonna take my tissue paper and I'm going to wrap it around because I'm gonna make it pink. But like I said, if you don't want to wrap it around, just go ahead and spray paint it or paint it with a paint, whatever you guys have. I go ahead and do this. I don't know if you guys can see. All right, I'm gonna cover that up, and then I'm gonna cut it there, that so it can look like that, and in the back like that. And then just flip it around. Gonna put a little bit of hot glue in there, and then attach it in there, right? So there you go. We're gonna go ahead and put some hot glue in there. Ta-da. And then we're gonna just go ahead and place it inside. I'm just gonna fold this tissue paper, right? And we're gonna cut it, right? We're gonna cut it. I'm gonna go ahead like that. Put a little bit of hot glue, and then I'm gonna attach it in there. And we're gonna go ahead and attach it in there. These characters are really expensive, so we're not gonna go ahead and get expensive stuff. I'm just gonna get this book. I don't know which one I'm gonna use, but you see, it has so many that I could cut out, and this is what we're going to use. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it out. Now we cut out this part, which is this one. So I'm gonna cut out. We're using these two. Okay, we're gonna take one of these balloon stick. I'm just gonna take my balloon stick and we're gonna place it right in the middle. Put a little bit of hot glue and place it inside. Then after you have that, you know that we cut the little things. So I'm just gonna go ahead and glue it. Maybe right there. Maybe on top. Let's see which one looks better. Maybe there. Guys, crafting it's not just putting things together. Like, you really have to, even though it looks so simple, and it is simple, but if you don't enjoy it, and then you just want to, I'm just gonna do this, I'm gonna do this real fast. No, just take your time. Have some coffee while you craft, and you're gonna enjoy it for real. I cut this little heart. Everything from me, I cut it from the coloring book. Or more stickers. You could also do that. Buy stickers and place it in this part. But I'm gonna leave mine as that, like that. Look how cute. Hello. It came out so pretty already, and it's not even done. Then I'm gonna take two of these, and we're gonna place it right there. And we're gonna place it. Take the little thingy. I'm gonna place it right here. I'm gonna do the opposite. And I'm gonna take the other one. A little bit of hot glue. And we're gonna place it in the other side. My balloon pump. I made the balloon smaller, this one, but you guys can leave it bigger, whatever you guys want. How we did the other one, but I also want to do it more simply. I put a little of this little, I put out of some purple, and I also out of some of this gold leaves, like shiny little things, so it can make it extra cute. So in here, instead of having two balloons on the side, I just decided to do one balloon. So I'm gonna make the balloon a little bit bigger, and then I'm gonna place it right on top there, like that. Like these cute little purple flowers, and I'm gonna place it right in there just to make it look extra cute. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. So beautiful and so cute and so inexpensive. You can either do it with the Minnie Mouse, or you could just take the sticker out and just leave it as the balloon like that. Either way that you guys decided to, I think it's super cute. You could do it like this one, or you could just do a single one like you see it here. So I hope you guys please comment down below and let me know what you guys think of these two DIY before we move into the next one. Please let me know if you know somebody that wants to make something like this. Please share with them so they can make it as well. So with that said, let's just get started into the next DIY video. Today's video, we're going to make a beautiful centerpiece with not a lot of money. So we're going to take one of these little boxes from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take this out. I'm going to take a floral foam. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue. And then we're going to attach it right in the middle, right there. I'm going to make like a little hole. We're going to take a balloon stick and we're going to place it inside. So we're going to do this. Place it right in the middle. You guys like that, don't you? So after we do that, so we're going to take these balloons, we're going to tie two of them together like that. And then we're going to attach it like this. And then I'm going to place it right in here. Let's just do one twist. Okay, I'm going to place the balloon in there. These cute little purple flowers. I'm going to place it through it like that so it won't show. Just to hold it down. And we're going to attach it there. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue. And we can attach it there. Like that. In here, we're also going to take, I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on the branch and then attach it in there. I'll do one on the other side. And here I'm going to take a white one. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue down there and then I'm going to attach it right in the middle. I'm just trying to fill up the whole thing in there. I don't like it when the box shows like that. Then we're going to take these cute little goals and we're going to place it around it. Just place it wherever you think it's going to look cute. I think it will look cute right here, one right here. I'm also going to place a few on each side. Place one right here. And then a few on the other side. After that, I'm going to take this butterfly and I'm going to try to attach it in here like this. There. So I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue and then I'm going to attach it right in there like that. Let's make sure it's straight because it's a little bit harder when I have to do it like that because I can't see because I'm showing you guys. And look how cute you guys is turning out. If you just wanted, this could be for a butterfly theme. You could place whatever theme you guys doing. If you're doing like a regular thing, you could also just take a sticker. You got a stick. I'm gonna place it right in there, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and attach it in there. Doo-doo. Super cute. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. So simple and so easy. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Please comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. That's the only way you guys can help me grow this page. Comment and like and share. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.